Today I wanted to just share with you a very short review of the Makita 36 volt chainsaw. It was bought in a kit. It came with a twin charger and also two 6-amp batteries. So I bought this chainsaw really for cutting large sections of timber which were too heavy to lift onto the bandsaw and cut in any other way. I wasn't planning to use it for cutting down trees. That's not really what I do. So it's for cross-cutting large logs and timber for making mostly sculpture. I've got 6-amp batteries in there, fully charged. I'll be cutting very dry oak beam. It's about 4.5 inches thick. So let's see how the chainsaw copes with this. Okay, that was like cutting through butter. Lovely.